Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to tell which version of Microsoft Teams I'm using. Now, to see which version of Microsoft Teams you're using, just follow me. It's very simple. Just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Teams app. And after that, what you have to do is just go to the top right next to your profile picture and click on the three dot icon, which stands for Settings and More. And after that, what you have to do is just click on Settings. Now there's a hidden panel here at the middle. Just put your mouse over here, select and drag, and it will open up. And after it opens up, you gotta go inside About Teams here at the bottom. Just click on About Teams. And after that, under About Teams, just at the top, you'll see the version. And you can see over here, you have Microsoft Teams version, and you have the version number over here. It also says that you have got the latest version. It was last checked on the date. And basically, that is how you can tell which version of Microsoft Teams you are using. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.